In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes for your Wix store. Before we dive in, a quick note on why this matters. Setting up taxes correctly helps you stay compliant and ensures your customers see accurate totals at checkout. With that in mind, start on your Wix site dashboard. Look to the left pane and click on Settings. This is your control center for store policies, payments, and of course, taxes. Next, go to Tax. This section is dedicated to everything related to tax rules and how they're applied in your store. You'll see options that let you tailor taxes to where you sell and how your products should be taxed. Here, you'll be able to add your tax locations. A tax location is the geographic area where you need to collect tax, often a country, state, province, or region. Adding the correct locations ensures the right rates are used at checkout for customers in those places. Click Add Location. Select your country first, then choose the specific location if required, like a state or region. This selection tells your store which jurisdiction's rules to follow. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the exact place you're responsible for, especially if your country has different regional tax rules. Now start entering the tax rates. Type in the percentage that applies in that location. If your area uses multiple rates, enter them as needed, keeping the names clear so you recognize them later. Be precise with decimals and double-check the numbers. Small discrepancies can add up on orders. Next, edit the tax settings, tax groups, and any related options. Tax settings typically control how tax is calculated and displayed. Things like whether prices in your store include tax or show tax added at checkout, whether shipping is taxable in your area, and how rounding is handled. Choose the options that align with your business model and local regulations. Then review tax groups. Tax groups let you organize products that share the same tax behavior, such as standard taxable goods versus items that have reduced or zero rates in some locations. Name your groups clearly so you can apply them consistently across your catalog. This helps your checkout stay accurate even as your inventory grows. And there you go. You've clicked Settings, gone to Tax, added your tax locations, entered the correct rates, and adjusted your tax settings and tax groups. That's all. Keep your rates up to date as rules change, and if you're unsure about a rate or rule, consider checking official guidance or consulting a professional so your store stays compliant and your customers have a smooth checkout experience.